Um, Question number 9 from exercise 7.1 is if q bracket 0 comma 1 is equidistant, say similar kind of question. Okay, if q of 0 comma 1 is equidistant from p bracket minus p bracket 5 comma minus 3 and r bracket x comma 6, find the values of x. Also find the distances qr and pr. Okay, so what is given to you? Q is equidistant from where? From P and R. It means QP or PQ is equal to QR. Okay, so QP is equal to QR. So from here to here and here to here, distances are equal. So QP is equal to QR. So you can first take the distance formula, or you can first square it and then directly remove the square root and square sign and write it here. Okay, so QP is equal to QR, so QP square is equal to QR square. Okay, so when you take square, okay, of the square root, the square root sign goes, and what remains? There is no square root here now, so it is x2 minus x1 the whole square. There is no square root sign because the square has removed the square root sign. So x2 minus x1 the whole square. So 0 minus 5 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. y2 is 1. So 1 minus y1 is minus 3. So 1 minus bracket minus 3 the whole square. So 0 minus 5 is what? Minus 5. Minus 5 square is what? 25. 1 minus of minus 3 is what? Plus 3. So 1 plus 3 the whole square. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. So 4 square. 4 square is 16. This is how we get the left hand side. Right hand side now. So x2 minus x1 the whole square. So 0 minus x the whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 1 minus y1 is 6. So 1 minus 6 the whole square. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5, 0 minus x is minus x the whole square is x square, minus 5 square is plus 25, so x square plus 25. Okay, so there is 25 here, 25 here, cancel it. So x square is equal to 16, so x is equal to plus or minus root of 16. So x is equal to plus or minus 4. So values of x are what? Plus 4 and minus 4. So this one part you have done, find the values of x. Okay, now what is the next part? Also find the distances QR and PR. So QR, this distance you need to find, and PR, this distance you need to find. Again you use distance formula twice, okay, because you just need to find the distances because you have already got the value of x here. Okay, so QR, this distance we need to find, PR, this distance we need to find. Okay, so we'll use distance formula for it. Okay, so QR, distance formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so let's take this as x2. So x2, y2, x1, y1. So x2 minus x1 the whole square means x minus 0 the whole square. X minus 0 the whole square plus y2. So y2 here is 6, y1 is 1. So 6 minus 1 the whole square. So it is root of x minus 0 is x square plus 6 minus 1 is 5 square. So x square plus 25. Okay, so QR is equal to, what is the value of x we have got here? 4 and minus 4. Okay, so if you take if you put x is equal to 4 here or minus 4, anything you put, not a problem. If you put minus 4, it will become minus 4 the whole square. Minus 4 the whole square is what? 16. If you put plus 4, still you will get plus 4 the whole square, still you will get 16. Okay, so QR is equal to 16 plus 25, so root 41. Okay, so QR is equal to root 41 units. Now we will see what is PR. Okay, so PR. So here we have x, and x has multiple values. The values of x are plus 4 and minus 4. So we will find PR when x is equal to 4. So the formula is distance formula x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, let x2 be this and x1 be x. You can have this as x2 and this as x1, or this as x2 and this as x1. It doesn't make a difference. Okay, so here we have taken this as x2, this as x1, this as y2, and this as y1. Okay, so it is 5 minus x the whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 the whole square. Okay, so minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9, minus 9 the whole square, and we have taken value of x as 4 because there are two values of x, plus 4 and minus 4. So we have taken plus 4 here, so 4 here, so minus 4, so 5 minus 4 because value of x is 4. This minus sign is this. Okay, so 5 minus 4 is 1 square plus 81, so it is root of 82 units. So when x is equal to 4, PR is equal to root 82 units. Okay, now we will see what happens when x is equal to minus 4. Again, the formula is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. The value of x2 is 5. So 5 minus bracket, what is x1, what is this x now, minus 4. So we have taken minus 4. This minus sign is this, and value of x1 we have taken as minus 4 the whole square, plus here it remains the same, y2 minus y1, there is no difference, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 the whole square is 81. Here minus of minus is plus, so 5 plus 4 the whole square, so 9 square is 81. Okay, there is root sign here. So root 81 plus root 81 is root of 162 units. Okay, now how you can factorize 162? So you get 2, 3, 3, 3 and 3. So 4 times 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3 and 2. So this pair you take 1, 3 out. This pair you take 1, 3 out. So you get 3 into 3 root 2. So it is 9 root 2 units. Okay. So this is how you have to solve when x is equal to 4 and when x is equal to minus 4.